Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the cow pasture and it's just got a little bit of a storm coming, but I think it's going to blow over. We're going to take the Timbrex up in this wind. So, see what we can do. This is what's fun with the wind. Do a little bit of windsurf in there. Now, it's starting to get a little strong. Yeah, I better go in. Yeah. Hope I can get this bird down without crashing. Okay. Yeah, I better get in. Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless. Oh,